Toyota's latest Yaris, particularly the Premier Edition, exemplifies the brand's unwavering commitment to innovation, design excellence, and sustainability. The new Yaris range, deeply rooted in Toyota's philosophy of continuous improvement or kaizen, has been meticulously updated to solidify its leadership in the highly competitive B segment in Europe. The Premier Edition, a highlight of the range, embodies the culmination of Toyota's engineering advancements and design innovation, especially noted in its engine options. At the heart of the Premier Edition's appeal is the introduction of the new Hybrid 130 powertrain, a testament to Toyota's pioneering efforts in hybrid technology. This more powerful full hybrid electric powertrain represents the fifth generation of Toyota's hybrid systems, offering an enhanced driving experience with sharper acceleration and improved efficiency. The e-Hybrid 130 boasts a 12% increase in total system output to 130 dinh/96 kW, and a significant torque increase, ensuring both responsive performance and environmental stewardship, with CO2 emissions remaining at an impressive 87 to 98 g/km. In addition to the e-Hybrid 130, the Yaris lineup continues to offer the e-Hybrid 115 option, catering to a broader range of customer preferences and driving needs. This variety in engine options underscores Toyota's commitment to offering sustainable mobility solutions without compromising on performance or driving enjoyment. The Premier Edition stands out with its distinctive bitone paint finish, combining an exclusive Neptune blue with a gloss black roof and pillars, alongside newly designed 17-inch black machined alloys. The blue-themed interior accents further enhance the cabin's aesthetic and comfort levels. Technologically, the Premier Edition leads with cutting-edge features, including a customizable 12.3-inch digital driver's instrument display and the latest Toyota Smart Connect multimedia package, ensuring a seamless and intuitive user experience. Additionally, the Smart Digital Key feature, provided as standard, revolutionizes access and convenience, allowing up to 5 users to lock, unlock, or start the vehicle using their smartphone. Through the incorporation of diverse engine options and advanced technological features, Toyota's new Yaris Premier Edition not only continues the legacy of the Yaris family but sets new benchmarks for performance, style, and sustainability in the small car segment.